the coffee machine. One is not working. We'll try to open and see what's in that one. We'll fix this machine. And let us try to open this. It's not working. We have some screw here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of them. These are T screws. As you can see, 5 of them we have here on back side. This is the water tank. You can see this is the water tank. We'll try to dismantle from back side and we will see what's in that one. So as you can see, these are T40. So we remove 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 screw we will remove. We will open the panel and go from there. So as you can see, we are removing the cover. This is the coffee grinder. This is the flow meter. And this is water pump. As you can see, we have this hose coming from water tank, going to the flow meter, then flow meter going to the in this loop and coming in water pump. The thing here, we will see now what's ongoing. We will start the machine, we will see what we have to issue. So let's go, we will power up this machine. Let us fill the tank by tank. So before power up, we should fill the tank with water and we will see this up to where the water is reaching. We will first fill the tank with water, then we will power up the machine. So as you can see, we already filled the water, almost off, and we run the cycle. Let's see what's ongoing. Let's start this machine. Bismillah. He's saying inside water tank. So he say one inside water spout. So I'll check the spout. Let's run now. Water circuit empty. Press OK to start. Let's press OK. What did they give me? Please. Water circuit empty. Press OK to start. Again he is saying, let us see that one. This is the error, so water is not coming. Water delivery is empty. So let us analyze what's ongoing. First we press OK. Press OK. This corner is okay. He is saying water circuit empty. So let me open this cover also. This side cover also will open, and we will see why water is not reaching up to pump. As you know, this is the water pump. Water is not reaching. Maybe there is air lock, we can say. Let us open this one and we will try again. So I am going to remove this cover from back side and we will see the water circuit, what's ongoing. water is not, see, we found the issue. This water is not coming out from this tank. So we need to see, maybe there is one, this is the wall inside. This is not, this is holding something in between this wall, this area. See, I already opened the hose, but water is not coming out from the tank. And we'll open again and we will see. Let me off the power first. Be safe. We cannot see all the other side of the hole from this out. See, this is the out. We cannot see the other side. While other side it's showing. Let me test this tank and we will see whether it is draining water or not. Let me press this one with something. See, even I press, water is not coming out. As you can see, guys, I am pressing this wall, but water is still not coming out. So there is blockage inside this area. See, I already pressed this NRV, like NRV. So if you remove the tank, water will not come. There is wall, there is foot wall. Now I will be pressing this wall. I am pressing this wall, but water still not coming out. So let me work on this area. So we'll come back again after I find the issue. I will come back to you again. So I already removed the top cover of this tank. As you can see, this is the water tank. I already removed the cover. And we will check now again what's ongoing. Just see. I will push it. Water is there, but very small quantity. See, it is not coming in good quantity. So let me remove the water filter. This is the water filter, and we will try to do again something. So see, we have to fill this filter first. We have to fill the filter first. When the water come out from side of the filter, then we should stop. See, now water come out from the side. Now we should stop. The one side. So after removing filter even, it is water is coming, reaching here, as you can see. See, water is reaching here. So water is not reaching up to this pump. We will try to remove the pump and we will fix it. We remove the air hose and we can see some air, and from there we will go. As you can see, I have raised the water level up to full. Filter is already removed. Without filter we run, we will see why. See, up to this flow meter water is there. This is the flow meter, as I told you before, and this is water. Up to flow meter there is water. So guys, after doing all troubleshooting and all things, even I put pump directly, bypass the flow meter, still not sucking this pump. Maybe we need something is there. We need to see discharge line is blocked or something. We need to forward this line. We see from this line what's ongoing. We'll open this cover and we will see. Let us remove this cover. As you can see, this is the discharge line of the pump. This is coming here, and after that, this is this discharge valve, and this is supply of heat exchanger. This is our pressure safety valve, I believe. This is our heat exchanger. Supply to heat exchanger. So let us remove this line and we will see what's ongoing. Where is the water? As you can see, I have removed this clip from here and we'll try to remove discharge line. This is discharge line, and we will try to run machine again so we can see some water is coming here or no. Let me put the tank back and we will do it again. So guys, I have removed the pump and removed this hose. After removing this hose, I drained out some water, so I removed the air bubbles. Let's fix it back and we'll try to run it again. As you have seen, there is no water until now. I run it again one time for you. While there is no air up to now, now water is reaching up to section of the pump, but no discharge. So we will try to troubleshoot more and we will go again from there, and I will take him with me. So guys, there is huge update. I have removed the pump. Finally, I have removed the pump and I will try to fix this one. We will see what's on this pump, why it is not sucking the water, and we will go from there. So guys, finally there is good news. As you can see, I will connect the pump directly and we'll see now it is pumping. Oh, so we will fix it back and we will see again. I will fix the water tank first, and the water tank is fixed, and now I will try on this one. Now there is water. As you can see, water is last. Good news. So this is good news. Yay, done. Maybe there is some air trap or there is some air bubble in the pump that we have removed. Now I will box it back and come back. So guys, LED machine has been boxed up perfectly. Now the moment of truth. We will box up the tank. See, this is the tank already came. See, oh well, water has came at last. Water has came at last. This is good news. So this was our issue. See now, circuit has been started. So the first error has gone. See, water has came and machine is bringing its stroke. So the remaining purpose is in the reverse cycle. As you know, the cover has to be fixed in one side and this side. Our main issue was pump was not sucking the water. I have cleared all air gaps in between, but still there was no water coming reaching up to pump. We clear the pump, remove discharge line. We have dismantled, we have cleared the air gaps, and we will try to run directly with electric, and it's on like a gen. And now it is okay. It's perfect. So as you can see, coffee cup is here. And this is machine, it's available. Let us run. Hot water if I need. Hot water is here. See, boiled hot water is coming. Good news. Okay, nice. This is good news. So good. Now machine is fixed already. It will make coffee also, even though I don't have coffee currently. But our main issue was there is no water flow here. This takes a lot of time, lot of effort. Please make sure subscribe, like and share the video, and keep continuous channel knowledge for everyone. And we will come up again with another knowledgeable video. Until that time, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.